Hi, everybody. This is Janet D, the PT. As a licensed physical therapist, I love giving exercises that are the biggest bang for your buck. I prefer to only give out a handful of exercises for my clients to do. One, because we only have so much time, right? And two, I want to give exercises that we can feel successful with, that again gives us the biggest bang for our buck. Okay, so today's video is going to show 3 great arm exercises using one of my favorite things in a gym or in a home. You want to know what that is? The wall. Okay, I love using the wall for exercises because it gives us a sense of where our body is. It gives us that support and that space to know, like, okay, if our body is going to cheat, we will know when we use the wall. Okay, so exercise number 1, we are going to start with a modified jumping jack. Okay, so this is just shoulder exercises. Okay, and so I'm going to start with my arms against the wall, and I'm just going to bring them up to the top, making sure that some part of my arm is always in contact with that wall. Okay, this really helps us when it comes to our posture. Okay, so again, anytime that an exercise can do more than one thing, like here we are, we're working on our shoulders, but also getting our posture. Whoop, whoop, I consider that a big win. Now, if you have trouble doing the full arms, you can start with shorter arms, raise up, and bring them back down. Okay, raise up and bring them back down. Okay, ready? Exercise number 2 is one of my favorites, and it's a combo exercise. Okay, so really watch before you go and try it. Okay, so we start with rowing the boat where until my elbows hit the wall. Okay, then we go into a stick 'em up. All right. We go with our arms up overhead. And then as we're bringing it down, making sure that our thumbs are pointing up. Okay, so again, watch it. Okay, so we're rowing the boat till our elbows hit the wall. Okay, stick them up. Okay, you can try to have it touch the wall. What's great about these exercises is if you can't get the full motion right away, you will with practice. All right, so we did stick them up, and then we go up over our head. Okay, and then we're coming back down like a V. Okay, ready? Try it again. Okay, so we're rowing the boat, stick them up, arms up overhead, and bringing it back down like a V. Okay, let's do it again. Row the boat, stick them up, arms up overhead, and using the V to bring it back down. Okay, let's do one more, and then we're going to switch into something else. Okay, elbows hit the wall, arms up overhead. Good, and bring them back down. Okay, so for this next exercise, okay, we're gonna do one shoulder at a time. Okay, so we are going shoulder height, right? Okay, we're gonna stick them up. Okay, come back to center and point it back down. This way you can see my hand. Okay, so I'm a little awkward. Okay, so then we're going to come back to center. Arm up, back to center and down. Okay? Another version of this exercise is putting your hands behind your head, okay? And then putting your hands behind your back. Okay, now why is this exercise so important? Because we need to have that rotation in our arms, okay? This is what helps us with reaching for items, especially the one where we're going behind our back. That one is important for hygiene in the bathroom, okay? That one is also really important to pull up our pants, right? Okay. So again, we're stretching behind our head and then going behind our back. The other version is going down, center, bringing up, okay? Center, down, center, up. Now, you may be asking me why I'm not swinging through the motion. I don't want you swinging through the motion. You want to know why? Because that's momentum. That's not strength. Okay? And what we're trying to do is minimize compensations with the exercises. So by taking that momentary stop in the center, it allows our body to switch to using the other types of muscles. All right, if you really enjoyed this video, go ahead and press like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and neighbors. Janet D, the PT.